Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to sketch. So if you want to create sketch in TinkerCAD, you can click this icon sketch and then you can click in rock plan. So we'll be moved into sketch tools. So you can click these lines to create sketch or you can use this Bezier curve. As example, we'll use this line and then we create a simple sketch. I will create like this for the sketch. And then if you click finish sketch, it will be create the 3D model from the sketch. You also can create sketch in the face. You can select again this object. And then I will select in the top face. Now it will be show in the top face to create sketch. So I will create again the line. And then you can click finish sketch. Now I will change this sketch into hole. And then you can resize. Move to the bottom a bit. Now you can combine these two objects to create hole. I will create sketch again at this face. You can select this sketch and then select at this face. Okay, we create with the lines again. I will create from this point into here. And then you can click finish sketch. I will set into hole. Now you can increase for the size sketch. And then you can move this sketch or you can increase again into this point. Select these two objects and then you can click group tools to create hole. Okay, that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to create sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.